So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, staying on YouTube channel or staying on your progress, especially in English, it is very crucial or it is very difficult to manage, right? So that is why guys, so in this video I am going to share some of the few actionable tips that hopefully will help you fix this problem, right? And as you guys knew that staying on consistent, it is very difficult, right? So that is why please keep on watching. But here, before I dive in, I want you to please give it a like, because I'm sure this video is going to be very important for all of you guys who are especially at this initial phase, right? So please give it a like and subscribe my channel. It says actually subscribe my channel is considered good, so that is why subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. So let's begin, guys. So the first thing that you should always remember, and that I personally follow, and that is guys, and actually this is the thing that I always tell you in my almost every single video, and that is guys, the moment you are spending right now will never come again in your life, right? So that is why try to prioritize your every single time or every single moment, right? Because as I told you, the moment you are spending today or right now never will come again, right? Yes, so this is what I had to ask you, right? Okay, so let's come to the chase. Now I finally share you the 2 or 3 tips that can help you improve your fluency, or that can help you to fulfill your dream of speaking in English, right? So the first thing, and that is guys, the thing that helped me. So first of all, I used to improve my pronunciation, right? So whatever I was reading, I try to speak out loud. But by the way, what I used to read, right, in my initial phase, guys, to be honest, if you guys really want to learn English, so first you have to make sure that you should watch a specific channel whom you would like to speak, right? For example, if you want to speak as I speak, right, if you want to speak like me, then you should watch mostly my videos. By the way, you should watch every single videos on YouTube, but especially in the perspective of learning English, you should watch mostly my videos, right? So this is the very important or so fracking important thing that can help you realistically to improve your English. Yes guys, because if you guys watch just my videos, then you guys listen the word or phrases again and again, right? And you guys see, if you guys are watching me continuously, right, every single day almost, right, means by the way I am not uploading every single day, but if you watch my previous video, right, so that means you guys would know that I mostly repeat the phrases that I were using in my previous video, right? Because even I don't know how to speak fluent English, right? So that is why I also repeat the sentences that I was using, right, that I were using in my previous video, right? Here, instead of watching a specific channel, if you guys watch some random videos, right, on YouTube, or you follow some random channel, then guys, you are not actually learning, right? Because someone is speaking, someone is teaching in his own style, and the other one is teaching in his other style, right? So that's how you guys get confused, right? So that is why I would say guys, in order for you to not get demotivated or not get frustrated or overwhelmed while learning, so I would say you should watch 1 or 2 specific channel whom you would like to speak, right? And next thing that I always guys ask you, turning on subtitle or watching some YouTube videos, so you should watch while turning the subtitle, right? Because initially guys, I'm sure you are not understand the every phrases of the video, right? But if you guys turn on the subtitle, then you guys see the phrase. First you listen and then you see. So the way you watch, if you guys watch this way, then you guys understand more, right? So that is why turning on subtitle, there is nothing wrong, right? So that is why in the initial phase you have to watch the video, but ensure you are turning the subtitle, right? And then there is one more thing that you have to do, and that is guys, just after watching, again you will have to read the entire speeches whatever it has written, right? Means just after watching the video you have to click the title of the video, and then guys you will get to see the feature called transcript, right? And when you click that, then you will get to see the entire speeches or whatever talking whatever I am speaking here, right? So, and when you guys reading, then you guys see the lots of words and phrases, right? So what you have to do here while reading, actually while reading guys, that I ask you to do in my every single video, because this is so freaking important, right? Means I benefit from a lot, so that is why I love to share in my every single video almost, right? Means whatever you are reading or listening, while reading guys you will get to see a lots of complicated words, right? And if you are not sure about the words, so first you have to note it down into your copy, right? And means if you guys learning this way, right, you also can write the phrase of the word, right? Because you see the word with it phrase, right? So if you are not sure about the word, then you also can read the phrase of the word, right? So that's how you guys can memorize the word strongly into your brain, right? So that is why guys I would say choose the way that you like. I mean, I would say first of all, this is the way I remember, right? Every single, or I can say this is the way I memorize vocabulary, right? And I love it. And there is one more thing here I would say, just after doing this thing, right? Doing this thing in the sense, just after watching and reading the transcript, so and then you have to jot it down, and just after jotting down, then if you guys see the word 2 or 4 days later, then guys most likely you are going to forget them, right? So that is why in order for you to make them stronger into your brain, you have to review them continuously. Just after jot it down or just after note it down into your copy, you have to review them continuously 5 to 6 days, right? So that you can make the word or phrases into your brain for a long time. But otherwise you are going to forget them, right? And also your mind will think, I think this information is unnecessary, so that is why your mind will think I should forget, right? But if you guys watch them or review them again and again, then your mind will think, no, I think this information is necessary, so that is why your mind will think that way, right? So okay, so that was the thing that I had to share on it, and I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, the thing that I asked you in the very beginning, guys, the moment you is spending right now never will come again. So ये चीज़ सोच करके, मतलब जो अभी आप बिता रहे हो वक्त, ये वक्त आपका लौट कर कभी नहीं आएगा, इसलिए try to prioritize every single moment, right?